Okay, so today I wanted to share a pretty cool workflow I have been using for VO3. Basically, you can kind of take any item you want and kind of turn it into a pretty cool, in this case, it's gonna be like this ASMR box opening, whatever you want video, right? So here we have kind of the Blastoise PSA 10 card, and we can kind of use this ASMR, stuff on this video. So I thought I could just share the workflow I've been using to create kind of the video you saw in the intro. And maybe this is something you can pick up, I don't know, but I kind of wanted to share it anyway. So all of this kind of stems back to using like image to image model. So this could be Flux Pro, Context, this is what I'm using. There are other models too, if you want to try that out. I think maybe the new one from, what's it called, Qwen, could be pretty interesting. I might check that out in another video. So the way you want to do this now, so let's say we wanted to create a video with this popular dolls. I don't know what do you call it? Labubu, right? So what we can do, let's just grab this image here, right? Yeah, this is fine. We can download this, okay? So I'm just gonna save it, Labubu, and that's fine. Okay, so let's pick that. So we're gonna start off here in the Context Max model. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna upload the image. Okay, we have it here. Perfect. And then I'm gonna do a prompt, right? So I kind of want to do place the toy on a wooden cutting board, POV from the side, a hand with black plastic gloves holding a black knife ready to cut. Pretty simple, straightforward. We're gonna pick 16:9 here for the format, for like if you want to do social media, right? And we're gonna send in this image, right? Okay, that's good. So I'm gonna send this in. We could also do this in 2 steps. I can show you that. If this doesn't work perfect, we can kind of change it up. Let's see first. Okay, so this was pretty good, right? Yeah, I think this is fine. We can download that and we can just run it again just to be sure. And you can kind of see how consistent kind of the item we put in here is looking. So I'm just gonna run it one more time. So in the intro, you saw me picking these, Charizard Pokemon cards to cut up. That wasn't the best image quality, but that was what I found. So let me think of another item we could kind of do this ASMR cutting on. So I just searched for expensive watch, right? I don't know what kind of watch this is, but I have no idea. So let's grab this, right? So I'm gonna save it. Piglet Silver Audemars. I have no idea. But the basic idea is I'm gonna grab a watch here, right? Okay, so yeah, I think I'm gonna save the first one. So what we can do now is let's just go to the playground again, right? We're gonna pick our watch. Good, we're just gonna use the same prompt, I think. Change it up a bit. So we could do something like place the watch, I think. If I can type, watch on a cutting board, yeah, that looks good. So again, we're gonna pick 16:9, right? PNG. And let's run it. So we kind of have our toy here now, so I can just go to frames to video, right? We need that. So I'm gonna click on frames to video. I'm gonna upload my frame here. So it was this one. Perfect. So I'm just gonna upload this to Flow. Okay, so the prompt I'm gonna do is pretty straightforward. A 4K ASMR video of a person slicing a toy in 2 on a wooden cutting board. Blackish knife, black glove hands, sound design fits the ASMR theme of cutting the toy. So that is all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna select the VO3 fast model. Okay, so let's send that. While we are waiting for that, let's check out this. Didn't I pick 916? Let's watch the full image. That's not perfect. I'm gonna run it again. I kind of want a knife to kind of be in the hand to save us some time on VO3, so we don't kind of have to render the person picking up the knife. Then we kind of lose some of the aesthetic, right? So I kind of want the knife already to be ready, like we are here. That's the perfect frame, right? So let's see. Okay, that's better. We can try this. I can download this. So we can take this game-worn Michael Jordan Nike shoe, right? Let's save that. Let's go, yeah, we can pick this one. Let's upload it, right? And place the shoe. We can try that, shoe. Let's run that, should have the good settings. Okay, this is much better, right? This is what I wanted. So let me download this. Perfect, we can go to Flow. We have this ready, we're gonna watch it, but first I'm gonna upload the watch image to Flow. And I'm just gonna do the same. I'm just gonna swap out the toy with the watch and the sound theme with the watch. So let's try that. How is this going? Let me see. Almost. It looks a bit strange. But let's try it again. You can also do this in 2 steps if you wanted to. You can first place the shoe on a wooden cutting board and then do the rest, right? We can try that too, if this doesn't work. Okay, so let's wait for the watch, and we're gonna watch everyone. They are not perfect every time, but sometimes it goes pretty fast. This is good enough, right? So let's download this. Again, we're gonna keep it simple. Upload the image. Crop and save. Shoe. Send. Okay, so now we have 3 objects here. So I'm gonna wait for this to finish, and then we're gonna see how they turned out. If they're not good, we can just run it again until we find something that is good, right? Okay, so everyone is done now, so you can see we have the first one. I think we're just gonna watch this, right? And we have the shoe and we have the clock. The watch, I had to do a few times before I found one that was okay. This was one shot, but let's watch this now. So let's watch this toy, Labubu, okay? Yeah, that was really good. I think that was perfect, right? I like the sound, everything was perfect. Let's watch the expensive Michael Jordan signed game-worn sneakers. You can see there are some artifacts there, not perfect, but pretty cool. The final one is the watch, right? Let's do this one. Again, not perfect, but if I did more iterations, maybe we catched one that was a bit better. But all in all, pretty happy. The watch looks pretty like the one we uploaded. This looks perfect. The doll or the little boo-boo looks good too. So now that we have all of this, what we can do, just go to Premiere Pro. We have some of this before, so what I can do now, let's say I save this. I can just, for now, I guess I can remove this. Let's, and yeah, that should be good to go, right? I'm not gonna play the sound now, but yeah, you can see it here. Yeah, you can see it. Nice smooth transition, 3 different recognizable objects in a smooth video, 24 seconds. Super easy, pretty cool workflow if you ask me. If you want to try this, you can go to my webpage, right? I've kind of set up this insane VO3 workflow, turn any object into an ASMR cutting videos. Here is kind of the prompts we used today, right? Here's the VO3 animation prompt we used. You can catch it up here. Right, so that's pretty cool. And if you want to learn more about this, so the address is the aivideocourse.com. If you want to dive deeper into AI video, this is perfect for you. So my plan now is to do a new module late this week, where I try to dive a bit deeper into the workflows we have had a look at today. I have some ideas I want to share, but I'm gonna upload it as a module on my course platform here. I think I have some workflows that could be very viral if you want to create videos like that, or just use them for other tips. So that is the aivideocourse.com if you want to check it out. Other than that, just go to the free tips and tricks and find the prompts we used today. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for tuning in and have a great day.